Hello 6th primary, how are you all? Today we will going to complete our math syllabus تحت رعاية وإشراف وزارة التربية والتعليم. Today we will going to answer more examples on equation and inequality, seeing many different ideas. Let's see how we will going to solve them. First exercise, we will going to solve it, asking me about the degree. What is the meaning of degree? It's the highest power of the unknown. I have here 2x power of 3 equal 10. So power of 3 means it's the third degree. So this is an equation from the third degree. The second one, ask me about 2x equal 8, then the 3x equal what? Here I supposed to find the value of the x first, then I will going to make it time 3. So if I'm finding the value of x, I supposed to make divided by 2 for the both side to find the x value. So I will going to make divided by 2, so x will be 4. So x will be 4. But what about 3x? Here I will going to make 3x, 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 give me 12. The second, he asked me about the solution set of the equation 2x equal negative 10 in n. What is the solution set? First of all, I supposed to answer to find the value of x. Then I will go to see this value belong to n or not. Type. The first I will go to make 2x equal negative 10. It means that I supposed to make divided by 2 for the both side to find the value of x. So divided by 2, it will be x equal negative 5. I have negative 5 in natural set? Of course not. Natural set have 0 and positive integers only. So the solution will be 5. The solution set in n will be a 5 because I cannot find negative 5 in the natural set. Here I have the solution set of the inequality x plus 3 less than or equal 7. If the substitution set is 3, 4, 5, 6. What I'm supposed to do in this case? I'm supposed to replace the x with every element I have in my substitution set. So I will going to make x plus 3 less than or equal 7. I will going to change x and make it instead of 3. So it will be 3 plus 3 less than or equal 7. Yes, of course, it will be 3 plus 3 give me 6, and 6 less than 7. So it can be. The second example, I will going to make 4 plus 3 less than or equal 7. Yes, 4 plus 3 give me 7, and 7 equal to the 7. Let's take this, the third element. I have 5. So when I make 5 plus 3 less than or equal 7, of course not. 5 plus 3 give me 8, and 8 is bigger than the 7, and it's not equal, so I cannot take 5. The last exercise I will going to use 6 plus 3. Of course, 6 plus 3 equal 9, and 9 not less than or equal, of course, 7. But what about the solution set? I already know that 3 can be, I can take the 3, and also I can take the 4. So the solution set is supposed to be 3 and 4 only. Here I have x plus 2 equal negative 2. Then the value of x equal what? First, I will going to make what? I will going to make minus 2 for the both side to make the x, to find the value of x. So x plus 2 minus 2 equal negative 2 minus 2. So if I do that, I will have x equal negative 4, because negative 2 minus 2, it means negative 4. Type. This is the value of the x. Here I have 3m plus 12 equals 6. This is the exercise we will going to answer. First of all, let's remember how we will going to answer such an equation. First, I will going to, if I have plus or minus, I supposed to make, if it plus, I will going to make it minus to simplify the addition or subtraction and become it 0. And if I have multiplication, I will going to make it divided by itself, divided the same number to have it 1, because any number plus 0 equal the number itself, or any number times the 1 equal the number itself. So to find the value of m, what I supposed to do, I will going to make, here I have plus 12. So I want to make it plus 12, دي become 0. ازاي؟ هعملها minus 12. Okay, so minus 12 for the both side. So it will be 3m plus 12 minus 12 equals 6 minus 12. When I answer 12 with 12 simplified by 0, يبقى 3m plus 0 equal 3m. طب 6 minus 12, 6 minus 12 give me negative 6. So the answer I have 3m equal negative 6. So I want to simplify the 3. How I will going to do it? I will going to do it by divided by the both side by 3. So divided by 3 divided by 3m divided by 3, negative 6 divided by 3. So m will be negative 2. So the value will, of m supposed to be negative 2. I will going to ask myself, I have negative 2 in n? No. So my solution set in n will be a 5, because I cannot find negative 2 in n. What about the z, the set of integers? Of course, I can find the negative 2 in my z. So the solution set in z equal negative 2. The solution set in n will be 5. Here I have the second exercise. I have 12 plus 5x equal 27. I will going to answer it with the same steps. I have here plus 12, but the plus ال 5x هنا in the middle. That's okay. هنا 12 دي الساين بتاعتها ايه؟ positive. طب I want to make it 0 يبقى هي positive. I will going to make it a minus. النمبر والانفرس بتاعها هي positive يبقى هتبقى ايه؟ minus. So I will going to write it ازاي؟ هكتبها 12 minus 12 5x equal 27 minus 12. So 12 with the 12 simplified, so I will have 5x. 27 minus 12, I will going to have 15. Type. Now 5x and 15, I will going to divide it, the 5 for the both side to have the value of x. To find the value of x, sorry. So x will be 3, of course. Type. I can find the 3 where I can find the 3 in the natural set, and I can find the 3 in the set of integers. So solution set in n and z will be 3, and I can write them all together like that. Okay, I don't have to write every set alone. Let's have C. I have 3x minus 8 equal 4x minus 6. Type. Here I'm supposed to answer it by the steps. Again with the same step, 3x minus 8 equal 4x minus 6. لما يبقى عندي 2 unknown، هعمل ايه؟ اخلي one side، I have a one side الunknown في one side، والsecond side اللي هي النمبرز بتاعتي. طيب هعمل ده ازاي؟ اخلي البيج with each other. يعني انا I have here 3x و 4x. طيب يبقى I will going to move a 3x دي to the second side والنيجاتيف 6 to the next side. So I will going to make 4x minus 3x. Okay, واخلي النيجاتيف 8 as it is، هي minus 6 so it will be a plus 6. طب take care، هنا 3x الساين بتاعتها ايه؟ positive، يبقى لما اوديها السايد التاني supposed to be a negative. طب ليه انا عملت كده؟ ما انا اوريدي في الستبس اللي قبل كده في الايكويشنز اللي قبل كده مش كنا بنعمل النمبر بلس الانفرس بتاعه علشان نعملهم simplifying. It will be the same steps. So 4x I will write it. Okay, 3x دي positive، هوديها السايد التاني بالنيجاتيف علشان انا اوريدي هعمل هنا minus 3x، يبقى هنا كمان لازم اعمل minus 3x. So it will be 4x minus 3x equal negative 8 plus 6. طب after solving it will be a 4 minus 3 give me 1x equal negative 8 plus 2 it give me negative 2. يبقى x will be a negative 2. طب the solution set of n of x in n, it will be of course 5 because it's a negative integers and we cannot find any negative integers in my natural set. طب what about the solution set in Z? Of course I will going to write it -2. طب let's have another exercise. Here I have here a new idea. We didn't answer it before. طب ازاي هحل الاكسرسايز ده؟ It's a lot of things. First of all, you have to understand when you have a bracket and a number outside, it means this number is supposed to be multiplied by the two number inside the bracket. So what I will going to do, تعالوا كده نشوف. I will have 2x plus 1. It means that I'm supposed to make it 2 times x. Then I will going to make plus it 2 times L1. So I will going to write like that. 2x plus 2 times 1 equal 2. By this way, I finish the bracket. I already finished the bracket. I will put my number as it is. باقي الإكسرسايز هكتبه زي ما هو. Equal x plus 6. طيب. Then I will start to answer my exercise. I have here numbers, I can add them all together. 2 plus 3 equal 5. So I'm going to write 2x plus 5 equal x plus 6. طيب now I have an exercise such يعني في شبه شويه من الاكسرسايز اللي احنا لسه حالينه. هنا عندي 2x plus 5 equal x plus 6. طب انا عايزه اخلي الاكسس كلها في sides والايه والنمبرز كلها in another side. So I will going to make السمول ده والاكس just one x I will going to make it to the next side. او لو احنا هنتلخبط ممكن ان احنا عايزين نعمل الاكس دي simplify. يبقى هنعملها simplify ازاي؟ هنعملها minus x. اوكي؟ طب وال5 I will going to make -5 -5. So I will going to write it 2x minus الx. طب ليه ماينس؟ عشان دي اصلا بوزيتيف بلس اهي الاكس عندي بوزيتيف. So 2x minus x equal ال5 دي المفروض ان انا هنا بعمل -5 يبقى السايد التاني لازم اعمل -5. So I will going to write 6 minus 5. Okay, so 2x minus x it give me x. Now x minus 5 equal 1. I will repeat it again quickly كده. First of all, I will going to make it 2 multiply the number inside the bracket. I have 2 times x plus 2 times 1. So 2 times x equal 2x و2 times plus 2 times 1 equal 2. Plus 3 هنزلها زي ما هي وباقي الاكسرسايز هنزله زي ما هو x plus 6. طيب هنا عندي 2 و 3 I can add them all together to give me 5. After that I will going to make ال x's in one side will numbers in one side. So it will be 2x minus x equal 6 minus 5. وخد بالك ان ال 6 ده هنا في السايد ده هي ال plus 5 هي اللي هعملها minus 5 for the both side. يبقى 6 minus 5 ما تلخبطش في البليسز بتاعتك. So it will be x equal 1. تعالوا ناخد exercise شبهه كده. اهي will be هنكتبها هنا. Two x minus x equal 6 minus 5. So x equal 1. طيب السوليوشن سيت بتاعتي هنا هقول السوليوشن سيت in n and z of course will be 1 لأن ال 1 can be found in a in the two in n في الناتشورال نمبر وفي الناتشورال سيت سوري وفي الزد السيت اوف انتجرز. تعالوا نشوف الاكسرسايز اللي بعده تقريبا نفس الستبس هعملها. انا هنا هاخد ال 5 multiply the x plus 1 equal 3x minus 3. طيب first of all I will going to make a 5 times x. So 5 times x تبقى تديني 5x plus 5 times 1 equal 5. Then I will go to complete writing the exercise as it is. 3x minus 3. طب what I supposed to do here? I will going to put all the x's in one side with numbers in one side. اختار انهي علشان ما يطلعليش الاكس بالنيجاتيف. اختار السمول x السمول number of x to the يعني هعمل لها moving to the another side. يعني هخلي ال 5x as it is وهحرك ال 3x هي للايه؟ للسايد التاني. So it will be 5x، ال 3x دي positive يبقى هتبقى minus 3x اوكي equal. suppose ان انا اعمل هنا ايه؟ minus 5 وهنا minus 5. So it will be negative 3 لان هنا الساين بتاعتي minus 3 so it will be negative 3 minus 5. طيب so it will be 5x minus 3x اللي هي equal كام؟ 5 minus 3 give me 2x equal negative 8 لأن negative 3 negative 5 أو negative 3 minus 5 it give me negative 8. So I will going to make divided by 2 for the both side. So x give me negative 4. Now negative 4 I supposed to find the solution set of x in n و in z. طب في ال n أقول له solution set in n equal phi. ليه phi؟ تاني لأن أنا ما عنديش negative في ال n. طب what about the z? Solution set in z equal it will be negative 4 of course. Yes واكتبها beside a brace. I think it's too easy and too clear now when we answer two examples with the same idea. Let's move to the next idea. I have here absolute. The answer is supposed to be with absolute. طبعا let's remember كده ايه هو الابسوليوت؟ الابسوليوت it's the space between the number and the zero in the number line. طيب هنا عندي absolute negative 14. All the answer of this absolute is supposed to be positive. So negative absolute negative 14 give me a of course 14. طيب so I will going to do it 2x minus 12 supposed to be equal 14 positive 14. It's an equation عادية خالص هنحلها بنفس الستبس اللي احنا كنا بنحل بيها الايكويشن. So it will be 2x minus 12 plus 12. ليه أنا عملت هنا plus 12؟ عشان النمبر plus الانفيرس أخليهم إيه؟ 0 equal 14 plus 12. ما ينفعش أعمل حاجة في سايد والسايد التاني ما أعملهاش في الايكويشن. بالانس اللي هعمله هنا لازم أعمله في السكند سايد. So it will be negative 12 plus 12 it will be 0. 2x plus 0 it give me 2x equal 14 plus 12 it will give me 26. Now if I have a 2x equal to 26, 2x equal 26. So I will going to make divided by 2 for the both side to find the value of x. So x will be 13. Now I can find the solution set. Yes, I can find 13. 13 موجودة. It's a positive integer. So or it's a positive number. So I can find it in the natural set. Also, I can find it in my set of integers. So I will going to say solution set of x in z and n. الاثنين equal 13. Okay, so I think it's clear enough. So when I find the value of x, I can find the 13 in the two set set I have اللي هي natural set with z of integers. So I will going to write this is my solution set. تعالوا ناخد exercise تاني. I have here 2 times 2x plus 3 equal 30. He wants from me to find it in z only. طب what I supposed to do here? Like we did before. احنا كنا بنعمل ايه؟ بنعمل time. بس المرة دي هنا عندي 2x. 2x طب ما هعمل 2 times 2 عادي. هنا هاخد 2 دي اعملها times 2x. 2 times 2 equal ايه؟ equal 4x. وهاخد 2 والساين ما بينهم ايه؟ plus. So I will put it plus. يبقى 2 times 2 equal 4x. الساين plus وهعمل 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 equal 6 equal 30. طيب it's a very easy equation. Now بقى شكلها equation عادية جدا وسهلة قوي. طب what I supposed to do؟ هعمل ايه؟ ال 6 دي I will going to simplify it. هعمل ايه؟ 4x plus 6 minus 6. السايد التاني مش هنسى لازم اروح اعمل على طول minus 6. So it will be 4x equal 24. And 30 minus 6 equal 24. Of course, I will going to make divided by 4 for the both side عشان أطلع الx بس. يبقى الx بتاعتي equal 24 divided by 4 give me 6. طيب it's a positive number so I can find it in n. بس هو مش طالب ال n. هو طالب مني ال z only. So I will going to write a solution set in z equal 6. طيب تعالوا ناخد exercise تاني بيقول لي complete the following. The solution set of the inequality 3x minus 2 greater than or equal 4. How are we going to write the solution set? First of all, I will going to answer my inequality in the very normal way. Then finding the value of x to write the solution set. طيب أول حاجة هنعملها إيه؟ أنا عندي 3x minus 2. So minus 2, I want to simplify to make it plus 2. And when I make something in a side, I'm supposed to do the same in the second side. عملت هنا plus 2, يبقى I will going to make plus 2. So it will be 2 with the 2 simplified becomes 0. 3x plus 0 equals 3x. Greater than or equal 4 plus 2 give me 6. So 3x greater than or equal 6, I can simplify the two side by 3 to find the value of x. Then I will going to write x greater than or equal 2. After that, I can write my solution set. The solution set of x equal, I have here x is supposed to be greater than or equal to. So I will start with the 2 to not forget that I'm supposed to write the 2 in my solution set because I have here equal. So 2, what is the number bigger than the 2? It was supposed to be 3 and 4. And I don't have to complete this writing the number, just write dot to make it a completing set. So here I want to say something very important. When you answer the exercise, take care to not change the inequality sign to equal sign. خد بالك ان انت ما تحولش inequality ل equal. طول ما انت ماشي read greater than or equal, greater than or equal. And sometimes when you answer very fast and you are not concentrating enough, sometimes some student converted the inequality to equal. He's thinking that he's answering, but it's totally wrong. لو انت حولت inequality ل equal هتبقى x equal 2. And x equal 2 السوليوشن set بتاعتك it will be 2 only. لكن ال inequality it will be 2, 3, 4 and completing set. This exercise, by this exercise we will finish our revision for for now, and we will go on to complete our revision next time inshallah. See you next time.